guys, welcome to Vicky's channel. Today, let's crochet the strap. It's a very easy pattern. You can learn how to crochet in 2 minutes. First, 1 chain and 1 short stitch in the circle. Two chains and turn back. Next, 2 unfinished double crochets. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all the loops and chain 2. In the same stitch, works out 3 unfinished double crochets in the same way. Pull the yarn through the 4 loops and chain ones. Turn back and slip through the space. Next, chain 2. In the same space, 2 unfinished double crochets. Next, chain 2. Next, in the same space, 3 unfinished double crochets and chain 1. Turn back crochet in the same way until you get suitable length. Watch how to crochet 1 time more. And 1 time more. Dear guys, thanks for watching. More videos coming soon.